Hey, it's break time and I don't want to bother anyone else, so maybe I'll do a voiceover here. 날 좋아하는 마음을 모를 거라 믿고 있는 네 모습이 귀여웠어 So cute 모른 척 해주고 싶지만 더 이상은 못 참겠어 난 모두 알아 이리 와봐 더 이상 날 피하지 말고. Okay, so I'm starting from a full face of foundation because I have a cushion foundation in my skin shade and I just put it on while I was on the subway, so I couldn't record that. And now I'm just putting on a Fenty Matchstick concealer shade. The color is Maple concealer shade. Yeah, I'm gonna hide these dark circles. Now I'm gonna kind of do a little contouring too. I'm gonna use the Matchstick shade Truffle to contour. I personally think this shade is, I don't know, it's not warm enough for me, but you know, it works. I just use the same sponge thingy that I use with my cushion foundation to just pat everything, blend everything together. I'm just literally like smacking it into my face. Blend. Now I'm going to do nose contour because I can. I just use the same Matchsticks truffle shade, and then I'm going to blend it out with my finger. I prefer to blend it with my finger because one, I don't always carry with me on the go all of my brushes, all of my makeup brushes. That would be a lot. And I don't have a small enough one with me to do this shape of my nose. So I'm just gonna use my finger. Blending. And then just to bring back out that highlight part, I like to go back in with the first concealer shade again and get the middle of my nose and a little outside tippy tips and blend that in again with my finger. it okay? I like it. It's good to me.
처음엔 아닌가 봐.
몇 시예요?
깜짝이야. 12시 13분.
Thank you. Now I am using my setting powder to set underneath my eyes and all of the high points of my face and my whole nose, because part of the reason I do such a heavy contour on my nose is because it's gonna lighten back up after I do this setting. But the setting is totally necessary because I have super oily type skin. Actually, it's combination, but in the middle it's super oily. So setting. Yeah, this is a necessary part of the process. And some lip balm, because you know, gotta keep them nice and moisturized and juicy. Here's an eyeshadow color. I don't know what color that is, but it's a single shadow from Innisfree. I'm gonna put it all over my eyelid. Just keep patting it on with my finger. Once again, because I didn't bring every single like makeup brush that I own, so finger does the job. And here is a dark brown waterproof pen liner, and that's what I'm gonna use actually to fill in my brows, is a waterproof pen eyeliner in combination with this one, which is an actual eyebrow pencil. And I'm just showing you the brand right now and not the color or any useful information, but you know, sorry. I gotta brush my brows up first and like into the shape that they're gonna settle before I do any filling in. And I do most of the filling in with the pen liner because these days I'm really into having super dark brows. My teacher's gonna know exactly why I'm late, which is embarrassing, but what are you gonna do? Now I'm gonna finally brush away all of that powder that I put all over my face. I let it set for, you know, the entire time that it took me to do my eye stuff. And sometimes I let it set even longer than this, but I kinda need to go back to class soon. So now I'm gonna spray setting spray on top of that. If you think this is excessive, you don't have oily skin. Now I'm just using some of this peachy colored sparkly shadow thing that I got from some random beauty supply store, like literally random underground. I don't know the brand. I don't think it matters because I got it for like $1. I'm pretty sure it doesn't matter what brand it is, but I just put that on the main part of my eyelid thingy. And here's a lipstick that I got off of AliExpress for like less than $2. Liquid lipsticks are my jam these days. I'm really into it, especially matte liquid lipstick. Yes, do that thing. The word I said was majimak, which means the last, as in the end. This is the last piece of makeup I'm putting on my face. I gotta go, I gotta get to class. I am late. Mascara. I don't know what brand this is. I didn't do a good job of showing the brand, but it is, you know, it's just mascara. Alright, well, that's about it, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you like, subscribe, or give me feedback if you didn't like it, or give me feedback if you did like it. Just give me feedback, okay? This is the end of my makeup, so bye. I gotta get to class. I hope she won't be mad.